Hi guys, what's up? My name is Jehan in case you're new to this channel. So a lot of people have been hitting me up about my handmade deck, interested in purchasing it. It's not for sale, but I am going to show you how you can make your own. Be fun with it, be creative. You can make whatever theme or aesthetic you want. So let's jump into it. So first, you're going to need a blank deck. You can use any blank deck of your choice. I actually got this from Amazon. So, a blank deck. You're going to need a pair of scissors. You're also going to need some markers and pens to write on your cards. You can just use black, you can use blue, or you can make it colorful. Your choice. You also need some stickers. I have a big bag of stickers here. As well as a glue stick. This is going to be for the second method I'm going to teach you guys. As well as some wrapping paper. I keep wanting to call it wallpaper for whatever reason, but you're going to need some wrapping paper. As well as some holographic vinyl. The one I'm using in this video is actually fish lore, but again, you can use holographic vinyl. And not everybody likes sparkly shit, you know what I mean? So if you don't want to use holographic, you can opt for something else. Again, be creative. You can do something, within your taste or your aesthetic, whatever it is that you want to do. Also, you can use magazine clippings for some of the images. Now, if you can draw, I highly recommend drawing your own pictures, but I suck at drawing. So that's the reason I use stickers and magazine clippings. These 4 cards I'm showing you here are actually magazines or are from magazines. So you can go out and get some magazines. Let me know in the comments if you know where I can get some old magazines for cheap or even free. So I'm just showing you in this clip, really quick, me using a magazine clipping so you can see how it turns out. And again, you can do any style deck you want. You can do a love deck. You can do an oracle deck. They even have tarot stickers that you can use if you want to make a traditional tarot deck. You can make, a 90s deck. You can make a pinup girl deck. You can make a gothic deck. You can make a Hello Kitty deck. Like literally whatever style deck you want, be creative. So I'm going to show you how I make the backings for the cards. I'm using my fish lore. Kind of tricky to pull it apart. I finally got it. It's really easy, really nothing to it. Then you're going to take your scissors and cut around and trim the card. And also these stickers, they come in many different colors. Obviously in this video I'm using purple, but like they have green, they have gold, they have silver, pink, like they have many different colors, so you can pick whatever color you want. You can even make a colorful deck. Maybe you can make each card a different color. It's really up to you. Again, it's a DIY project, so just tap into your creative juices, because period. All right, so that's how it turned out. So you just keep doing that one by one until you have enough cards. Now, this is the second method. This is actually cheaper. This wrapping paper I'm using, I actually got from the Dollar Tree, so it was only $1. So, I was just measuring to see how much I need. Then you're going to cut it out. As you can see. Well, you low-key can't see because I didn't have it in frame, but bear with me. This is like my first tutorial. Okay. So now I'm measuring it to make sure I have enough that is going to cover the card. And then I'm going to take my glue stick and make sure you get it on all of the edges, all of the corners so that it can adhere properly. Also, let me know in the comments if you can think of a better glue for this, because low key, I don't know if this kind of glue will work. I mean, it works, but I feel like it could adhere a bit better. So But anyways, you're going to stick it on there. And I would advise, once you're done trimming it, putting it in a big book and maybe putting a brick on the book to help it stick even better and be flat and nice and neat. So this is the second option. Again, this is a little bit more cheaper. So if you're trying to save money, this method is a bit more economical versus, you know, the vinyl, because those can kind of be a little pricey or spendy. So, you know, looking at how many cards you're trying to make, you know, if you're trying to make 100 card deck, you know, that shit adds up. So, you know, this is a bit cheaper. So that's how that turns out. So in this clip, I'm just showing you guys, you know, how I use the stickers to make a message. Normally, I just get a random sticker pack that I like, and then I just create messages based off the stickers that come in the pack. So just use your intuition to create your messages. If the sticker is too big, feel free to cut it. You can also cut pieces out of stickers. If there's a certain saying, for example, that you don't like, you can cut it off of the sticker and just go with what you like. You know, just customize it to your liking is what I'm trying to say. And you see me here like putting the messages on the card. I just use my intuition. This is like a love card. And after that, to kind of pimp my card out a little bit more, I go in and like put like little dots on it, colorful dots with the markers. You don't have to do this. This is totally optional. But I'm just doing that to kind of fill in the white blank spaces so that the cards don't look too plain. But again, I can't draw. That's why I do shit like this. But if you can draw, if you're a real artist, like, you know, you can definitely do something more intricate. I'm pretty sure you guys will come up with even better cards than me. Feel free to like send me a picture of your deck if you ever decide to make it. If you're a tarot reader and you decide to do this, send me a video or a link to your reading so I can check it out. And also, don't forget to give me credit. If you got inspiration from this video, shout me out. I'd appreciate it. But yeah, this is how I make my deck, essentially. That's the finished product. So as you can tell, I made my deck like with different, you know, colors and different patterns. Super unique. I really loved how it turned out. They shuffle really well. That's actually one of my favorite cards. See that couple you see? It was actually a Brazil sticker. It said Brazil, but I cut off Brazil and I just kept the couple because this isn't a travel deck. I also have a locations deck that I made. Also, if you have an old deck, this is one of the first decks that I ever purchased. It's kind of worn out, so to kind of revamp it, you can just like, you know, go in and put new backings on it. And I feel as though this will make this deck last even longer, because I'm not going to lie, it was kind of low-key starting to deteriorate. You can see the edges look all janky and shit, so... When I first started my channel, everybody was like, oh my God, you need a new deck. Your deck is old. But I love, this is like low-key one of my favorite tarot decks, not to get off topic. This is the Gilded Tarot. So yeah, I thought of this last night. I was like, wait, I could low-key like, you know, put some backings on my old deck to revamp it. So this is how it turned out. So like I said, it's really easy. It'll give you a chance to express your creativity. I see a lot of tarot readers make their own decks, and I absolutely love it. So if you haven't already made your own deck, I highly encourage you doing so. Tap into your creative juices. Like I said, you can make it a different aesthetic. If you don't necessarily like holographic, maybe you can get a floral print, right? Maybe you can get a solid color, whatever it is that you like to your liking. And I ended up making like 3 more. So I'm going to have to, I ran out of the fish lore sticker, so I'm going to have to order more, and I'm going to end up doing the rest of the deck. So I really like how that turned out. So let me know in the comments what you think. If you're going to make your own deck, like I said, if you end up doing it, let me know, and bye.